Hey, good morning, everyone. It's Thursday the 8th. It's about 7 minutes after 10. Getting ready to pack up. I'm sitting here, obviously, in my motel room. I just got back from having breakfast. I went to Cracker Barrel, which is not really one of my favorites, but it was okay. I do have a Waffle House right across the street too, but I went there yesterday, and I go to a lot of Waffle Houses and I like them, but every now and then you run into one, and yesterday I ran into one. The service was really poor. Everything I got was cold, including the coffee it might as well have had ice in it. So anyway, getting ready to head into New Orleans. What I'm going to try to do today, and of course I'm running blind here. I've never been here before, and New Orleans is a little bit of a hard city to maneuver because everything seems to be on bridges. So, but I'm going to try to find the Mississippi River where it dumps into the Gulf, and that's going to be my goal today, is to try to find that area and then maybe do some walking around downtown and stuff. So I'm getting ready to leave here in a few minutes. I'm just kind of packing up stuff, so I will see you when I get to New Orleans. See ya. I suppose it's a frog. Does not look like frogs where I come from, so looks more like a dinosaur. Sitting here on my gas pump while I'm getting diesel fuel. Just hanging out. He's moved a little bit, so I know he's alive, but he don't move much. Okay, this is, I'm on I-10. I'm heading from Hammond, Louisiana to New Orleans, and the road has been this elevated bridge just about the whole way. I've been on it about 20 miles now, and that part has all been elevated. So I know from coming here yesterday I'm going to hit ground up here, but this goes for quite a ways, where both roads are elevated up out of the swamp, which I assume is what it is. I do see some lake signs and stuff, so but I don't know, I guess I might call this area the land of the bridges, because I know when I entered this it said no gas stops for 26 miles, so you can't get off this thing. There is a few turnarounds, but they're blocked off with cement barriers. So I suppose that's for, work crews and stuff that are able to move them barriers to turn around. But yeah, if you were to break down out here, you were going to be a few minutes because, help's got to come from one way or the other, and it's a long ways with no exits. So anyway, there's also a bridge up here that I'll film that part too when I get to it. But yeah, this is pretty much the scenery here. This elevated road, and it's pretty cool, really. I'm not sure if there should be a road here, but I guess I would have liked to see the area before this existed. I'm sure they had to travel this by boat or something. I don't know. So anyway, until we get to the bridge. Hey everyone, I found what they call the Riverwalk. I'm here. It's a big paddle boat there. It's pretty big. There's a boat out here going in the river. This is a waterway here. This isn't really the Mississippi River. I think the Gulf is up here ahead of me, but it's quite a walk. Like miles, I think, a few anyway. So we're gonna walk down this a little ways, get some pictures, and you know, who knows what we'll see. So let's take a look at what's happening. There's a lot of people here laying on the lawn and relaxing, and I don't see very many masks. In fact, I don't even have mine with me, so it's good to start to look back to normal. There's a couple of big hotels over here, the Marriott and the Westin. So anyway, let's keep going. Well, I took a different way into New Orleans this time, and I didn't go over that bridge, but I think that's it right there. And if it's not, it's one that's shaped exactly the same way. So yeah, I'm pretty sure that's it right there. It was pretty cool. If you look really close, you might be able to see cars going across it, but you'll have to look really close. I can barely see them. In fact, there's ambulance or something going across right now. All right, moving on. There's a trolley car there. Well, I'm walking down Canal Street. I just passed North Peters. I really don't know where I'm at. I'm just walking around, so there's a lot of people out. There's a lot to look at. There's a lot of sirens going on here too. Okay, there's the Sheridan. It's kind of big. I don't know how many floors that is. I'm not going to stand here and count them. But there's another one. I'm not sure who that is, but that one's about as big. Okay, right now I am on Bourbon Street. Walking down it. It's just business after business. A lot of music in the background. I hope I don't get flagged for any of it. It's a warm day, it feels really good. I think it's in the low 80s. Larry Flynn's Hustler Club. Guess I didn't know Hustler was still a thing. Just a lot of activity down here. Definitely some issues with the sidewalk here. Bourbon Street. What do we have here?
Like I'm just a hard
Bourbon! Got a drink, right?
So I'm just kind of aimlessly walking around. I, at this point, have no idea where I'm at. I did do the car locator app on my phone. I've never used it before, but I'm gonna need it today. So hopefully it works. All right, we'll get some pictures.